Hi guys on YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an overview of my throughput dishwasher, my miele d977 plus dishwasher. Today we're doing programs and options of programs on it. Here's your programs there: normal 50 degrees, economy, pre-wash, intensive, universal plus, and universal. As you can see, you select decide programs to select you. The times are different, temperatures are different on this. Pre-wash means before the main wash started, that's what pre-wash meant. Universal plus is just a little bit longer, and intensive is the longest. Universal is slightly shorter than universal plus. That's that's my thing. That's my thing is. Thanks for watching by, and a guten Morgen to you.